Hey there, welcome to the Agency Alchemist. Now my name is Tristan Parker and you are obviously here because you're looking to improve your web design business. Now this program has been put together to help web designers who are struggling to sign up their own clients or even just sell websites for more than a couple $100s. Now when I got started in my web design career, I already knew how to build websites, but what I didn't know was how the hell to find clients. I had no idea how to go out and find them, how to identify them, what to even say to them. And over the past few years, I've been learning that step by step, and it's taken a little while to get there. This program is going to teach you all of that, but give it you within 3 months. So I'm taking 3 years of knowledge and delivering it within 3 months. We have already had some amazing student results within this program. Our students are managing to sign up clients for like $300, $400, $500, $600. Now this program is designed to take you from nothing to $10,000 per month. And if you take this program seriously, there's absolutely no reason why you could not get there. In fact, I'm so confident in this program and the results that we can deliver that I've backed it up with a guarantee. Not many people do this, but I am so confident that this program can help you that I guarantee it. So what I am guaranteeing is if you do not manage to hit a $10,000 month or sign up your first $2,500 client within these 90 days, you're entitled to a full refund. I'm happy to give you back the money that you paid for this program. Or alternatively, I will give you the opportunity to work one-to-one with me more closely until you get to where you want to be, until you hit that $10,000 month. Now we've not had to even refund a single person as of yet, and I'm confident that we won't have to refund you either. This program is going to give you everything that you need to start being successful within your web design business. Plus there's so much more. I mean, in fact, just take a look at this website and you'll see how much value is included. But now before I go, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to even consider the Agency Alchemist program. I hope you like everything that it has to offer. Take a look at the website, there's so much information on there. And if you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to answer them before you potentially sign up. Now, I wish you all the best and I hope to see you on the other side.